Neighbors cannot be changed, but relations can be improved through dialogue and mutual respect. Good morning, respected Jito sir, and my dear friends. My today's lecture topic is India-China relations. India and China, two ancient civilizations, major Asian powers, and world's fastest growing economy. Together, they accounted 36% of the global population and played a vital role in shaping the global economics and the geopolitics. Their relationship is a mix of cooperation, conflict, and competition. Now, if I talk about the historical background, India recognized China in 1950. The 1950s witnessed the split of Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai. The relationship deteriorated in after the war of 1962. The Galwan Valley clash of 2020 is a major setback that basically affects the bilateral ties and also the relationship between the two nations. Now, if I talk about the areas of cooperation, despite differences, both nations share a common platform. For example, the BRICS is there, SCO, G20, climate change negotiations, and WTO reforms are there. Now, if I talk about the challenges, the first is the unresolved border dispute along the 3,488 kilometer line of actual control. Strategic rivalry in the Indo-Pacific and the Indian Ocean region. There is also the China's Belt and Road Initiative, which is basically opposed by the India because that CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, passes through the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. And fourth is heavy dependence on Chinese imports in terms of the critical minerals. Now, if I talk about the recent development, as we know, Kailash Mansarovar Yatra has resumed after several years. There is a trade is also being opened through the Lipu Lake, and they are also engaging in terms of the bilateral trade. Now, if I talk about the way forward, the first thing we have to peacefully resolve all the issues in terms of the border, maintain peace along the LAC, make sure expand our horizon in terms of the artificial intelligence, climate negotiation, healthcare, and etc. As we know, India and China are the two countries who have a trade of 128 billion US dollar in the physical year 2024 and 2025. They are the two major Asian giants who are worked. If they work together, they basically shape the world in terms of the positivity and prosperity. But China's move of string of pearls along the Indian Ocean that circling the India is something that is hindrance towards the India's growth, but India tackling that with the diamond of necklace strategy. So, as at last, I want to tell that we as a nations grow together if we support each other. Thank you.